YouTubes! Hello Haunt fam! Boy, we got a special unboxing today. We got a big old box here, as you saw in the title description. We got a creature from the Black Lagoon. I'm dying to get this thing open. Alright, so you guys know I'm a huge fan of the Gillman and Creature from the Black Lagoon. And I've seen this a while ago on Amazon. It popped up. Rubies makes it, Rubies Costume Company. And this guy should be rigid foam, I believe. So let's see what we got. It's a box. A box in a box. Oh, it's a full color box. Okay, let's see if we can get this out now. Oh, there's our boy right there. Oh. Oh. Good God. Is there anything else in there? Oh. Alright. Here's the face of the box. Oh, looks like they got Creature, they got Frankenstein, they got Wolfman. Really interested in the Gillman right now. What an awesome freaking prop, man. Let's see. Oh, they got his window blocked out? Oh, look at that. Bunch of paper in there. Oh, there he is, folks. There's that big blubber mouth. How cool is that? Alright. Let's get this guy out of this box and take a close look at him. Knife! Alright. Don't want to hurt him. Like I said, I think he's rigid foam. He hangs on the wall. Looks like he's just about life size. Alright, let's get him out of there. Man, huge box. Okay. Oh, another big box. Good. Yeah. Alright. Boxes galore today. Good God. Okay, so he's in pieces right now. He's foam. Lightweight. Let's take his hand out and drop him. Oh man, that's freaking awesome. Try not to wreck anything. Come on, Cobwebs. Oh, check out that, man. How cool is that? Pretty lightweight, rigid foam. I mean, look at the detail on the big freaking mugs of his, man. Look at the meat hooks. That is freaking cool. Obviously, got some little peg system where he slides in. So that is his right hand, it looks like. Put that over here. This is his lefty hand. We'll get that out. Let's take a look at the center section. Look like he's got some ties or something down there. Alright, cool. He kind of slips out. Okay, Creature. What else you got? Good God. Yeah, it's like taking a kid's toy out of the damn wrapper. Oh man, check him out. Look how freaking awesome he is. Look at that mug. Oh, that is so cool, man. Looks like he's got a flat back. I don't know how you mount him. Looks like his arms fit in the little sleeves they got made for him. But yeah, he's rigid foam. Got him blacked out in the back. Now we got to figure out how we're going to mount this guy. Alright. Man, he looks crazy looking. Look at that thing. He hangs on the wall just like this. We got to put his arms up, so I'm going to pick a spot on the wall, and we're going to put this guy together. And we're going to get him up on the wall, and get him displayed. Let's see, this is his right arm. He should go in. No? Let's see, like this. Okay. Something like that. We're going to get them together, and we'll figure it out. Okay, YouTubes. So, I tried struggling putting the right arm on. Right arm doesn't want to fit worth a damn right now. We've had a casualty already. We lost one of his little fingertip claws on his, I guess it would be his left-hand thumb. So we're going to have to glue that back on. I'll put a toothpick in there. I'll sandwich it in, and then I'll glue it back in with some 5-minute epoxy. This arm seems to fit pretty decent. Kind of goes where it's supposed to be. Tucks right in there. So he's more of like a groundbreaker. He sits on the ground and he looks up at you, but we're not going to put him on the ground. We're definitely going to put him outside. And I've been struggling to make this right arm fit. I don't know what's up with this janky arm, but it's not fitting so great. So I'm going to go ahead and cuss and swear off camera until I get this thing screwed in there, or twisted in however it's supposed to be, and I'll come back and we'll take a look at this guy once he's all put together. Goddamn fish, man. Okay, YouTubes, so this is becoming problematic. It's a brand new prop out of the box from Rubies. It looks like a pretty easy slip together, but it's not fitting right. So I went ahead and had to shave it down. I just took some 8 grit on a block like I do with most of my rigid foam props if I want to shape them. Slide them back in the hole. And you can see this is as good as it gets. There's kind of a big gap in the front. It looks like they should have shaved this down right here under his arm a little more. His little plate right there should have been angled down. If I go and sand that down, it means I'm going to be doing a repaint. So for now it's going to be good, but eventually I'm going to have to go back in and fix this arm. So out of the gate, I'm not real happy with Rubies. They should have fit this better. This arm seems fine. There's a smaller gap there. Maybe it just needs time to warm up and acclimate to the temperature in here. I don't know. But so far out of the box, I'm not real thrilled with this prop. And if you guys have this prop, let me know if you have this problem with the creature's right arm. So I'm going to try and get this in, and we're going to figure out some way to mount him up on the wall because he's more of a groundbreaker. See that gap? Not great. It fits better in the back of the arm than it does the front, so that's pretty crazy. So I'm not real thrilled about that, but we'll see. So I got to figure out some little system to mount him, and we're going to get him hung on the wall, so let's do that. Okay guys, so I just cut a little chunk of 2x4 up there. You can see the back side of it's at a slant, and I went ahead and put a dowel in the creature, so he should slip right on there. Okay, YouTube, so we got our creature. Again, I'm not happy about his arm. I'm going to let this thing acclimate to the shop for a couple of days, and then I'm going back in to fix this thing again. You can see I put just a little simple dowel across his back so he'll slip right over that little 2x4 piece. I can adjust him and slide him side to side. I went ahead and put 2 screws in the top that you can't see, and then just some 5-minute epoxy across the back of it to make sure it's glued onto that rigid foam. So we should be able to just slip him up there and hang him up. Alright, can tweak them a little bit, slide them around, put them where you want them. Alright, he's there. That arm's going to need work though. So, alright, let's take a look at him. Okay guys, he's up there. I got him kind of slid around where I wanted him to. I went ahead and did glue his thumb back on with the same 5-minute epoxy that I did to his back dowel rod. But overall, he looks good. He's hanging up there. I'm going to give it some time. I'm going to go back in and work on that right arm of his. He looks great in the shop. I really love the paint, but overall, I'm not super thrilled with him. Okay, YouTubes, Gillman's hanging up. I'm happy with his position. I got it kind of slid into place where I wanted. I'm going to go ahead and put my magnet board back up. Am I happy overall? Yeah, overall I'd say I was happy. Would I buy him again? No. Would I buy other ones in the series? No. Speaking of the series, they do have other ones. They've got the Wolfman, they've got Dracula, they've got Frankenstein. If they fit as good as these guys would, I don't know if I'd take the chance again. But again, it's an Amazon buy. I'll link the link for him below. I'll link the Rick Baker books below for you guys to take a look for yourself. I am going to have to go back in and work on that arm. I'm not real thrilled about that for an out-of-the-box prop, but can I do it? Sure. So overall, I give him about a C+. He looks great, paint's great, but putting him together in complications, no. He's made to sit on the ground and stare up at kids, and he's too nice to leave out in the yard, that's for sure. So if you guys get a chance, go check out my brothers in a Trio of Terror, Vic Springston over at Monster Misfits and Dave at the Weird Kid Show channel. Guys, it's Halloween all year long for us. We don't care. We're putting out a ton of projects. We live stream on Monday nights, 7 Central. So come on over there and hit us with your questions, your topics. We're just happy to see you guys and hang out. We can answer questions about some of the stuff we do on our channels. It's not a problem. So, till I see you guys again, keep it evil. God damn, Fishman. I'll take this arm off and frickin' beat you with it.